Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano, president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about patching. Yeah, patching, just to let you know from an IT perspective, is about as much fun as sticking needles in your eye. Okay, it's just not that fun. It's kind of one of those necessary evils. Back in the day, maybe 10 or 20 years ago, we used to say, when you can get those patches on your machine, great. If you can't, it's not the end of the world. Fast forward to today. Now we're saying when the patch is released, you kind of need to get it on as soon as you possibly can. Now, what we'll typically do is we'll roll out a test bunch of machines. Actually, the first thing we'll do is when a patch is released, figure out what it does. More importantly, listen, check the forums to see if the patch blows up anything that might be relevant to the machines that we're patching. So that's the first thing, right? When the patch is released, make sure it's stable. Run it to a small test group of computers, and then when it looks okay, go ahead and blow it out to the rest of the computers. We do recommend doing a test group. The running joke there is how many computers would you like to break at a time, right? So that's kind of your answer of how many machines should I blow it out to if I don't want to do a test group. So we recommend doing a test group, but it is becoming more and more important to patch as soon as the vulnerabilities come out. Here's a scary fun fact. So when a vulnerability is announced, like if it's a 0 day, you have about 2 to 3 days before a hacker or hackers develop an exploit to take advantage of that vulnerability. The other scary thing is this: over 90% of compromises are due to what's called poor computer hygiene, or basically computers that aren't patched properly. So you obviously want to patch for the operating system, but you also, don't forget, you need to patch for applications running on your computers as well. So that's the tip of the day. It's pretty simple. I mean, you just really kind of need to get this stuff done. Sorry. I mean, I know it's a kind of a pain. The other thing too is we definitely recommend a centralized patch management solution. Don't let users install them willy-nilly. I'm just going to tell you right now what happens is A, they don't get tested, B, they don't get done, or it causes a lot of blown up computers because it wasn't properly tested. We do offer a patch management service if you're interested in learning more about it. We can send you can send us an email at info@adscon.com. I'll put the email address here. That's the tip of the day. Please, please, please stay up to date with patches. It's super, super important. Don't stick your head in the sand and think, oh, it's going to be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine until somebody loses an eye. So you got to stay up to date with it. It kind of is what it is. Sorry. So anyway, if you like this content, please boink, hit that subscribe button, keep listening, and we'll keep making this content. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.